nicely. Pet her nicely. I don't know if you can tell, but it's snowing, and it snowed last night because all the patio and sidewalks were plowed, and now it's not, but this is what we woke up to this morning. Marcy's sad that Daddy has to go to work. Wait. Marcy, are you sad that Daddy has to go to work? Is he your favorite daddy of all time? Marcy, what you having for dinner? Is that grilled cheese? She has tomato soup too, but she can't handle it on her own yet, so Mommy's gonna be helping her with that in a little bit. Can you handle your soup by yourself?
I'll try.
This is the proper way to eat grilled cheese, in triangles, because I'm not a psychopath like this person who doesn't even cut his sandwich.
Because I'm older than 4.
She's a baby and has strips. Alright guys, so now it's night, and I showed you the snow this morning. Well, it made the roads crap again. Crap on top of crap just keeps making crap. Zach said he saw, what, a bunch of jackknifed
Well, semis just in the median.
Semis in the median on the way home from work.
They skidded off the road.
So, that's great. But we went to Target. Last time we got that sugar cookie milk I told you about. This time, chocolate mint milk. It's Zach's pick. He loves chocolate mint. Zach, you're so happy. You're so happy to be alive. Look, you never see both of us in the shot together. Someone's always behind the camera.
Weird.
There's a baby back there somewhere. All right, we're gonna go pick Marcy's book, and then that'll probably be it. This weekend will be better. We promise.
That's 3 days in a row. We promise. It's just hard to get out and do anything when it's blizzarding.
And Zach gets home late, so it's like he goes to work almost in the dark, and he comes home in the dark. So it's just hard to do anything. We suck. We're gonna go drink milk. Bye. All right. Dad, have a night. You know what to do. Oh, I know exactly what this one is. Just by the little piece that she ripped already. This is Mommy's book. This was Mommy's when she was little. Here. Can you get that? Can you get that? Alright. We got Katie and the Sad Noise, and I swear to God, when I was little, I thought they made this book just for me. Because I even looked like the little girl on the cover.
Whoa.
Okay. See you tomorrow.